Hi and Assalamualaikum to our lecturer supervisor. My name is Puteri Khairina binti Muhammad Khairi and I am taking PhDM. For assignment 2, occupational health and safety, we are required to conduct an interview session at our chosen company. So our chosen company here is Surya Nautica. So Surya Nautica is actually a oil and gas company which was founded at 2017. So in this assignment, we will discuss and show you the results from our interview session. Now I'll be talking about the introduction, the background of the company. So Surya Nautica Sdn Bhd is a Bumi Putra status company that was established on July 5th, 2017, following the acquisition of Nairfield Petroleum Services Sdn Bhd, which is a licensed contractor for Petronas. So Surya Nautica provides a marine services and logistics solution tailored specifically for the offshore oil and maritime sectors. So Surya Nautica's workforce comprises of 33 office personnel, 110 marine crew members, a project management team of 9 professionals, and a diver pool of 20 experts. So now I'll be talking about the vision and mission. So the vision of the company is to be the preferred company of choice for supplying offshore support vessel and integrated services to the oil and gas industry. Next, the mission for the company is to provide efficient and reliable offshore supports vessel for the oil and gas industry. Next is to supply a variety of offshore support. Lastly is to achieve zero breakdowns or downtime, ensuring uninterrupted support for the offshore operation. So that is all for the introduction. Now I'll be explaining the safety analysis based on the interview that we have conducted with Sir Ikwan. So basically inside the interview, he addresses main risks of working at offshore and oil and gas industry. So here first we have weather condition. Obviously, severe weather such as storm, high winds, and rough sea can pose significant risk to vessel stability and crew safety. Next, we have human error. Mistakes made by the crew members during navigation, communication, or operation can lead to accidents, collision, and groundings. Vessel can collide with other ships, obstacle, or run aground, resulting in damage or hazardous spill. Next, we have equipment failures, mechanical or electrical failures, man overboard situation. Crew members can fall overboard due to rough sea, lack of safety measure, or distractedness. Next, we have fire and explosion. Flammable materials, fuel leaks, and electrical malfunction can lead to fire or explosion on board. Next, we have slip, trip, and falls. Wet and uneven surfaces, especially in engine rooms or decks, increase the risk of falling. Next, we have hazardous cargo handling and transporting dangerous goods can lead to exposure to toxic substances or accidents. Fatigue, long hours, and demanding work can lead to crew fatigue. Diving and underwater operations, activities such as underwater inspection or repairs involve risks such as decompression, sickness, and equipment failures, limited access to medical care. In case of any emergency, remote location can make it challenging to access medical assistance quickly. Lastly, we have environmental risks. Pollution and ecological damage can occur from spill or accidents leading to the regulatory and reputational consequences. So addressing this risk require a very comprehensive safety management practices and training and effective communication among members. So next we'll be discussing the accident cases. So during our interview session, Sir Ikwan has shared one of the incidents. So basically, the scene analysis of the incidents. One specific scene involved a crew member who is sustained injuries during a fuel transfer operation. The situation escalated when a hose became entangled, leading to the crew member being struck, causing the employee to have permanent injuries and scars. This incidents underscore the critical need for maintaining safe distance from operational hazard and ensuring effective communication among crew members during such tasks. So basically, how do they solve this problem and how do they investigate this incident? So firstly, they will have a initial reporting. So crew members are required to report any incidents to the head office, especially to the designated person offshore, which is called DPA, who is responsible for overseeing safety protocols during offshore. So next is evidence gathering. An investigation team is dispatched to the scene to collect evidence, which includes photograph, reports, and documentation of the condition leading to the incident. So next we have interviews. Team will conduct a interview with involved personnel and witnesses to gather insight into the incident's chronology and contributing factors. 4, we have analysis. The collected data is then analyzed to identify root cause causing on both mechanical failures and human factors. Lastly, we have recommendation. Based on the findings, the team developed corrective actions aimed to prevent similar incidents in the future. This may include enhanced training, improved communication protocols, and also equipment maintenance schedule. So I will be moving on to the next one.
Hello, my name is Putri SOPHEA. Today I'm going to presentation about assignment 2, occupational health and safety. So based on the assignment 2, we are assigned to do an interview, and the company that we choose is Surya Nautica. Surya Nautica is basically a company oil and gas and conduct oil and gas at the ocean, like offshore, something like that. So for my part, I'm going to explain about the stress issue that happened at workplace. So basically, based on the interview, the Mr. Ikwan said that basically is always happen at the out of the office sites, because basically the person who are working at the oil and gas industry basically affect highest of a stress issue. So the first stress issue that always happen is high risk environment. Particularly offshore is inherently high risk, so it can cause accidents, and need for a vigilancy can create significant stress among employees. The second stress issue is a long working hour. So basically, based on the interview, the Mrs. Ikwan said that they work on 24 hours. So the employees might be stressed because of the works that they might do, and they cannot really get stressed because they're at the middle of the oceans. For the third stress issue is isolation. Isolation is a crew member may experience feelings of isolation when working on vessel far from the land. So basically, based on what I said before, they work on the oceans, like the middle of the ocean, so they know where to go. They need to stay on the one place. The fourth issue is communication challenge. The effectiveness of communication challenge is crucial in high stake environments. Miscommunication or a lack of communication between crew members can lead a misunderstanding, and then it can increase the stress levels. And the last one of the stress issue is job security concerns. Job security concerns can the fluctuating nature of the oil gas market can create uncertainty regarding job stability and leading to anxiety and stress among employees. So basically, the stress issue are always happen because all of the workers are stressed doing their works, and based on the oil and gas workers, they have nowhere to go. They need to stay in the middle of the oceans. So based on my opinions, and also the company also already give us the suggestion how to keep this stress away. The company provide the entertainment for them, such as games or a good food, because without any good food, that also can get a stress, because basically they have nowhere to go. They need to stay at the ocean and do a work, so they need a good food to keep their mood or something else. And then entertainment for them is also a good choice, because not all the time they need to do work, so the entertainment can keep them from being stressed, and then the entertainment also can distress them from stress. So for the second part that I need to explain is about the ergonomy in the workplace. So basically, on the offshore place, they need something that are safety to them to use, and they need to sit or work on safety place. Ergonomy also practice and equipment used to improve comfort and stay. So the first point that I will explain is about the awareness training. So basically, the company emphasized the importance of training crew members on proper lifting techniques and ergonomic practice. Basically, this kind of training, educating them how to lift heavy objects correctly to prevent any injuries or bad injuries. So if we using any heavy material, we need to have a proper way to pick up them. And then it's also dangerous to us if we use a wrong way, and it can cause any accidents to our body. For the second point is safety equipment. The company provide the personal protective equipment which is PPE, such as safety shoes, goggles, and glove, because that kind of works that they do, they really need a safety equipment to help protect from any injuries related to machinery and environmental hazards. For the third point is machinery safeguard. On the vessel, there are safeguards in the place that to prevent accidents. For example, hard surface are covered from prevent bands and automatic closing door that can reduce the risk of injury when their workers enter and exit the areas. So for the fourth point is electrical installation. Basically, insulators are used on the electric equipment to prevent electric shock. So they use this kind of thing to to ensure that all the employee are work in the safe area, work while working with any machine, because basically all the machine are using electric. If they're using a wrong way, they might cause any injuries or incidents and can be dead, because electric is such a dangerous thing to human. For the last point is a warning signs. Basically, the company places a warning signs in a hazardous area such as pinpoints to alert the crew to any dangers or and also promote a safety awareness. Basically, a warning signs is a important things at the kind of this area of work, because all of the workers need to be careful of the kind of work they need to do and any incidents that gonna happen. So they should put a lot of sign area or warning signs at any place might be dangerous. So they have a few of example of ergonomic steps. So basically, they can a proper lifting station, which is the area designed for lifting heavy equipment that include the clear signage on a proper lifting. Second is workstation design. Basically, the workstation design on vessel that allow crew members to operate machine without having to reach a quality or strain their bodies. So the workstation design needs to be human design. So all the workers can do the work in safety area. The third one is safety gear storage, basically designed for storing PPE that easily accessible and also ensure that a crew member can quickly equip themselves before starting the work. So they need to wear a safety clothes before they are entering the work. So they need really a good place to take and live that kind of equipments. The fourth point is rest area. The company need to provide the comfortable rest area with ergonomic seating where the crew can take a break, reducing and promoting recovery during a long shift. And the last one is the training areas. The space are dedicated to conducting safety and ergonomic training session. Equipment with demonstration tools and material that can educate a crew member effectively. So that's all for me. Thank you.
For safety theories and method, there are 5 points. First point, human factors analysis. This analysis to focus on how human behavior and the decision to make contribute to the accidents, like allow the company to make a program or a training for the crew to know more about the safety during the work. And second, system theory. This approach view the organization as a system into the parts. This accident can show the result from like failures like in communications, like miscommunication from crew to crew, or the procedures that they don't follow before work, during the work, or after the work. And the result also came from the equipment. If like the equipment not malfunction or it doesn't work. And third, root cause analysis. This method it can identify the underlying cause of incidents to find more solution for what the cause of this incident happened, and to find more why does it happen, like is it on purpose or not. And fourth, behavior based safety. This safety behavior, the company can promote the safety behavior, like provide like feedback, like the feedback why the accident happened, like, and because they want to reduce this accident happen in the future. And last, safety management system. The company implement SMS for a structured approach to manage the safety, like including like the regular risk assessment or safety audit, like the regular risk, something like that. It's always happen, like a small incident that doesn't relate to doesn't cause someone life. For promoting safety and health, there are five points. First, safety meetings and briefing, like like regular safety meetings that I had before they start work, like like the specific safety topics, such where how to handle during monsoon, during the work, or for fire safety. So they will know how to handle them. And second, safety drills. For safety drills, safety drill, they need to do once a month, so that the crew member can prepare prepare for something like emergency fire break or anything. And they can, and it's easy for them to familiar with safety protocols when the incident that happens. Third, alcohol and drug testing, like before not before like every once a week or maybe once a month, they need to test their urine to see if are they in high or just in positive in drug. It's for the safety to not so that they not cause a dangerous for other people. And fourth, hazard awareness initiative. The company can raise the awareness of potential hazard to inform the crew about to ensuring all the crew members that they are informed about the awareness of potential hazard for their safety. And fifth, use of safety equipment. The company need to provide all the safety equipment for the crew members, like safety boot, safety safety helmet, and everything for the crew members, so it will be easy for them to work in less danger, like something.
So, as a conclusion, this interview highlights several critical lessons regarding the importance of occupational health and safety in the workplace, particularly in high-risk environments like marine transportation. One key lesson is the necessity of a robust safety culture that prioritizes the well-being of employees through comprehensive training, clear communication, and adherence to safety protocols. The company's commitment to achieving zero breakdowns and incidents underscore the significance of proactive risk management and regular safety assessment to identify and mitigate potential hazards such as environmental factors and machinery failures. Another important takeaway is the role of mental health in overall workplace safety. The company recognizes that employee well-being is vital for maintaining a safe working environment. Implementing initiatives such as recreational activities, quality food, regulated work hours to reduce stress and enhance morale can help reduce mental health issues among employees. Furthermore, the investigation process following incidents illustrate the importance of learning from accidents to prevent future occurrence. By analyzing incidents, identifying root cause, and implementing corrective actions, the company can continuously improve its safety practices. Overall, the lesson learned from this assignment highlight that prioritizing OSH not only protects employee but also enhance operational efficiency and also contributes to the company's long-term success in the marine transportation industry. So that is all from us. Thank you very much.